Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another holiday makeup look, but at the end, I have a little surprise for you guys, which you probably could read by the title of this video. But anyway, stay tuned till the end for that, and let's get started. So I'm just gonna kind of do an eye look today using the Tarte Winter WonderGlam palette. I do have a whole review on this palette if you guys are interested in seeing that, because this would make a really good holiday gift. You guys can, I'll put it on the screen. I think it goes on the side, I don't really know, but it'll be on the screen up here somewhere, and it will also be linked down below in the description box. So this is what the palette looks like, just in case maybe you guys haven't seen it yet. This is what it looks like. It's a really gorgeous palette. I'm just starting out by priming my lids because I haven't done that yet. I'm going to start out with this nude matte shade right here, and I'm just going to place this to set the concealer on the lids. Just going to deepen it up using this shade, which is just slightly darker, transitioning the shades. So I think I'm going to add this matte shade right here, which is darker. So I'm going to start out very lightly with this and build it up. I think I'm gonna do like darker shadow on the inner and outer corners, and then a glitter on the middle of the lid. So because I'm doing that, I really want to make sure that this outer edge is super blended by the time that we're done. See, I'm really starting very lightly. I'm just kind of laying down the color. I'm just gonna go into the same shade and just use a little bit of a bigger, fluffier blending brush and apply the same shade in the same spots, just deepening this up. I'm gonna go into the black matte shade very lightly because I don't want this to just look like it's black on my eye, but I'm just going to deepen up this outer corner to smoke it out a bit more. Then I'm going to go back in with that matte brown shade and just place this on the lower lash line. Just going to go back in with some concealer, cut the crease on the middle of the lid, and just bring it down onto the lid. So kind of just like that. If you ever go too far over on your eyeshadow, it's okay. We'll just fix it up later, and no one will ever know the difference. I think for today, because I'm applying glitter, there are so many pretty glitters in here. I think I'm gonna go with this one though, because this one has looked so gorgeous to me. It has like pink and blue glitter in it. I'm gonna try this using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to tap this down on the lid. Now I'm going in with like this angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go back into the brown and just replace this on either side of the glitter. And then I think just on the inner half of this lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this matte dark blue shade. Place this, it'll kind of help tie in some of the blue from the lid. For the inner corners, I'm going to use some of this shimmery silver glitter top to brighten it up. I'm using this pearly white shade. Now I'm going to apply my lashes. So the ones I'm using today are from Kiss. For mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay mascara, and I'm just going to apply this to my top and bottom lashes. For highlighter today, I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter, and this is in the shade Flexitarian. I'm just going to apply this. So for lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. And over top of that, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss from her collection this year, and this is in the shade Wish Come True. Placing this over top. So this is the finished look. It would be so perfect for Christmas or New Year's. Okay, so now the most exciting part of the video. I am doing a giveaway. So this is a thank you for this year and holiday New Year's giveaway, as well as a 500 subscriber giveaway, because I just so happened to be at the same time. So thank you guys so much for everything this whole year. So I wanted to kind of do a little gift for you guys. So one of you guys will win. So let me kind of show you what's in this year's giveaway. First in this giveaway will be the Morphe Neutral Territory eyeshadow palette. So this is a 12 pan eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's so gorgeous, everyday wearable. So I really wanted to pick something out for you guys that you could wear every single day and use that palette for all of 2020. Next up, I have some Urban Decay products. So you're gonna get a full-sized Perversion mascara, which is actually what I used in today's video. And you're also going to get a full-sized little glitter eyeliner, and it's a gold glitter liner. So pretty. This is a really cute little set. And finally, in the giveaway will be a Victoria's Secret little lip gloss. They're the best. I use these all the time, so wanted to kind of throw one of these in here for you guys. And yeah, that is everything that will be in the giveaway. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, Victoria Costanz, and hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications, which will be right next to the subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, any comment that you want. You can even put your Instagram username if you want. It'll make it easier for me to see that you entered. Then you also have to follow me on Instagram and like that photo. I will put a giveaway photo on my Instagram page as soon as this video is uploaded, so you guys can go and like it. Be sure to tag at least one friend in the comment section of that Instagram post, and then you will be entered for the giveaway. You can get extra entries if you want, so to do that, just tag more than one friend on the Instagram post, or you can share the post to your story or your own Instagram page. Just be sure to tag me so that I see that you did it. So the giveaway starts today, December 14th, and it will end on Friday, January 3rd, 2020 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. And yeah, so you guys have like a couple weeks to enter and get all your entries in. So be sure to go do that. The winner will be notified through Instagram DM on January 4th. All of the rules for the giveaway will also be written down below in the description box, so you can check and make sure you didn't miss anything. So good luck to everybody who enters, and I hope you guys liked today's video and you're excited for the giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!